I remember I was like, okay, I'm gonna be organized, but somehow I still just end up losing track of everything, and I start having like duplicates of folders for some reason. I don't know, bro. Sorry. Bless me. Currently having a maple ice cinnamon roll. Oh, that sounds really good, homie. I'm not gonna lie. Thank you, guys. Does VTubing means having to have a great headset? VTubing doesn't mean anything, but if you want to be a streamer, having reliable gear is always beneficial. By no means do you have to have it. I started off with a lot of the, like just my normal setup that I used to game with for years, so you can always start somewhere. But if it ends up working out and you make a little extra money, try and put it back into, like, your setup, you know? That's what I usually do.